In this tutorial we will skip all preparation steps like scripting and data modeling. We are going to start from dashboard design and we will be using predefined set of master items, dimensions, measures and some visualizations. You can download Starting Point app from the link available in the description for this video. Let's move on. Just drag and drop the extension on a new sheet. First, what we should do is to add required measures to the visualization. Sales and margin KPIs. The next step is to add a new visualization by clicking Create button here. Or if you prefer, we can expand the visualization section and hit Create button. The visual editor will be loaded in working area. First, we need to create an appropriate visualization template by adding columns and rows, merging cells in accordance with our business requirements. Let's add some rows and columns, clicking these toolbar buttons. We can merge cells by selecting them and clicking this button. We can use keyboard shortcuts to speed up our work. Next, what we should do is to drag the measures onto Design Template. Let's open Dimensions Measures panel. Using simple drag and drop operation we can bind each measure with our visualization template. We can use this button to add a text label. Let's move on and apply some styling options. Let's select these cells holding Ctrl key and change alignment. Set background and font color. And, finally, change the font. Here we go. To make our dashboard responsive we should apply Fit Inside Cell Font option. Let's preview what we have got now. But we need to change numbers formats for our KPIs. So, let's do it here by changing these formatting options. So far, so good. That's enough for now. In the next video we are going to embed master visualizations and add some actions to make our dashboard a little bit more functional.